About to get a warning any second now if they tone it. Any
70%.
second.
Mostly cloudy. A chance of rain until midnight.
One for Richmond. There it is.
Severe thunderstorms will appear along the line extending from New York into near Hamlet, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Looks like I'm the one that was tripping. Oh well.
Impact. Expect damage to
SVR
roofs,
for Richmond.
and trees. Locations impacted include Rockingham, Hamlet, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, Dobbins Heights, Wagram, Gibson, Laurel Hill, and Sand Hills Game Land. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina.
Yeah, there you go. Well,
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Moore County and Central
there
North
you
Carolina.
go.